Hello, Paul Carr here. This is the first video for French Horn Grade 1, playing one hand, one heart. Make sure you've got your music open and ready, and we're first going to check that you are in tune with the piano. I'm going to play a note on the piano which should sound the same as your note C. Play your instrument at the same time as the piano and listen to check that the notes sound the same. How's that? Here it is once again. Okay, let's have a look at the music. There are 4 bars of rests before you start to play. Each bar has 3 beats in it, so you need to count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, play. And remember to breathe in on beat 3 in the last of those 4 bars. I'm going to play the accompaniment for these 4 bars now so that you get to recognise it and see if you can play your first note in the right place. I'll count with you too. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, breathe, play. How was that? Let's do that once more. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, breathe, play. Once you've started to play, each bar of the piano accompaniment tends to have this pattern. So there's a strong low note on beat 1 of each bar, and that's something that you can listen out for and will help you if you lose count. Let's play from the very beginning now, count the rests of the introduction very carefully, come in at the right place, and we'll go as far as bar 12 from the beginning. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we've got to the end of bar 12, and from bar 13 things get a little more tricky with counting, so be careful and remember to go back to the start after you've played bar 22. It's a repeat. Let's look from bar 13. I'll count you in and help you stay in time. Watch out particularly for bar 19 and 20 where you've got a note that ties across the bar line. So this is from bar 13. I'll count you in. 1, 2, 3. And now you're back at the start. We don't get my 4 bars introduction again. It's the same as before after that until you get through to bar 15. Now, this time round, you jump from the end of bar 15 to bar 23. It's marked with a bracket over the top of the music, and you're heading to what's called the second time bar. The last thing to say is remember to take a huge breath for the last 2 notes, because the last note of this piece is 5 bars long, 5 bars of 3 beats. That's 15 beats altogether, a very long note. I'll count it through for you this time. Let's go from bar 13 now as if it was for the second time through, so we'll then jump to the second time bar when we've played bar 15. I'll count you in. 1, 2, 3. Well done. You can repeat this video to be really sure that you know what you're doing, and then when you're ready, I'll see you in the next video for a complete performance of this piece all the way through.